जहां सूरज की किरणें जमीन तक मुश्किल से पहुंचती हैं। वहां रहते हैं ऐसे जीव जो आपके सबसे डरावने सपनों से भी ज्यादा भयानक हैं। अमेज़न रेन फॉरेस्ट, रहस्य और रोमांच से भरा जंगल, लेकिन साथ ही मौत की घाटी भी। आज हम ला रहे हैं आपके लिए 10 ऐसे खतरनाक जीवों की सूची जो इस जंगल के अंधेरे में छिपे हैं और इनका सामना कभी ना हो, यही दुआ करनी चाहिए। आखिरी जीव सबसे भयानक है, उसे देखने के लिए अंत तक बने रहें। This vast, verdant labyrinth, the Amazon, cradles an unparalleled diversity of life, a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of breathtaking beauty and indeed profound peril. It is a realm where evolution has sculpted creatures of extraordinary adaptation, some benign, others armed with nature's most potent defenses. Here, beneath the dense canopy, sunlight filters through in fragmented rays, illuminating a world that has remained largely untouched by the passage of millennia, a living museum of natural history. But this is no gentle Eden. It is a kingdom where the struggle for survival is a constant, visceral reality, a drama played out in countless forms, from the smallest insect to the mightiest predator. We embark on a journey into this heart of green, not merely as observers, but as explorers seeking to understand the delicate, often dangerous balance that governs this extraordinary ecosystem. The air hums with the calls of unseen creatures, the rustle of leaves hints at movement in the undergrowth, and the very waters teem with life, some of which command a fearful respect. To navigate this world is to walk a tightrope between wonder and caution, for the Amazon guards its secrets fiercely, and its inhabitants are masters of their domain, often equipped with formidable tools for hunting and self-preservation. Join us as we cautiously pull back the emerald curtain. Our first encounter in this perilous paradise brings us face to face with a creature whose diminutive stature belies the sheer agony it can inflict. The bullet ant is an insect that commands respect, not for its size, but for the legendary power of its sting. Imagine, if you will, a pain so intense, so consuming, that it has been likened to the searing impact of a gunshot. This is no exaggeration, it is the very reason for its evocative name. To be stung by a bullet ant is to experience a level of suffering that few can comprehend, a fiery torment that courses through the veins. These ants, often an inch or more in length, are formidable foragers, navigating the forest floor and lower vegetation with a determined air. Their bodies are robust, their jaws powerful, but it is the stinger, concealed at the tip of their abdomen, that is their most infamous weapon. This stinger delivers a potent neurotoxin, ponerotoxin, which targets the victim's nervous system, causing waves of excruciating pain that can persist, unabated, for up to 24 relentless hours. The initial shock is often accompanied by trembling, nausea, and even temporary paralysis of the affected limb. We now venture into the murky, slow-moving waters that snake their way through the Amazon, the domain of a true leviathan, the green anaconda. This is not merely a snake. It is a legend, a creature of immense size and power, the heaviest serpent on our planet. Its sheer bulk is awe-inspiring, a muscular column that can exceed 30 feet in length and weigh over 500 pounds. To witness one in its natural habitat is to feel a primal sense of respect for nature's capacity to create giants. The anaconda is a master of ambush, perfectly adapted to its aquatic realm. Its eyes and nostrils are positioned on the top of its head, allowing it to remain almost entirely submerged while patiently watching for unsuspecting prey. Its olive green skin, adorned with dark oval spots, provides superb camouflage amidst the dense vegetation and shadowy waters of swamps, marshes, and slow-flowing rivers. Here, it lies in wait, a silent, patient hunter, conserving energy until the opportune moment arrives. The very name piranha conjures images of frenzied attacks and razor-sharp teeth, a reputation largely cemented in popular culture. While often sensationalized, the truth about these remarkable fish is no less compelling. Found throughout the Amazon River basin, Piranhas belonging to the family Serrasalmidae are indeed equipped with formidable dentition. Their triangular interlocking teeth are like tiny, incredibly sharp blades, perfectly designed for shearing flesh from bone with astonishing efficiency. These are not solitary hunters for the most part. Many species of piranha exhibit schooling behavior, moving through the water in groups that can range from a few individuals to several hundred. This collective presence can be intimidating, and it certainly enhances their predatory effectiveness. While they primarily scavenge or prey on other fish, often targeting the weak or injured, they are opportunistic feeders. The scent of blood in the water can trigger a remarkable change in their behavior, a switch from cautious opportunism to a focused, almost frenetic feeding response. Chapter 4: The Jaguar Phantom of the Emerald Labyrinth. Deep within the emerald embrace of the Amazon, where shadows dance and the undergrowth conceals a myriad of secrets, reigns the undisputed monarch of this realm, the jaguar. This is the largest cat in the Americas, a creature of breathtaking beauty, immense power, and almost supernatural stealth. Its coat, a stunning canvas of golden tan fur adorned with distinctive black rosettes, provides exquisite camouflage amidst the dappled light and dense foliage of its jungle home. The jaguar is an apex predator, a solitary hunter that moves through the forest with a silence and grace that belies its formidable strength. It is a creature of immense patience, capable of stalking its prey for hours, unseen and unheard, until the perfect moment to strike. Unlike many other big cats that kill by suffocation or a bite to the neck, the jaguar possesses an astonishingly powerful bite, the strongest of all felines relative to its size. It often employs a unique killing method, a crushing bite through the skull of its prey, piercing directly into the brain. Chapter 5: The Electric Eel, a Living Battery of the Amazon. Within the murky, slow-moving tributaries and swamps of the Amazon and Orinoco basins lurks a creature that wields one of nature's most astonishing weapons, the electric eel. Despite its serpentine appearance, it is not a true eel, but rather a type of knife fish, more closely related to catfish. This remarkable animal has the extraordinary ability to generate powerful electrical discharges, which it uses for hunting, self-defense, and even navigation in the often turbid waters it inhabits. The source of this electrical power lies within specialized muscle cells, called electrocytes, which are arranged in stacks along the majority of its elongated body. These electrocytes function much like tiny batteries, and when triggered, they can discharge simultaneously, producing a jolt that can reach up to an astonishing 860 volts. This is more than enough to stun or even kill its prey, which typically consists of fish, amphibians, and small crustaceans, and it serves as a formidable deterrent against potential predators. Chapter 6: The Dart Frog, a Jewel of Deadly Beauty. Amidst the vibrant greens and browns of the Amazonian forest floor, one might encounter tiny amphibians adorned with colors so vivid, so striking, that they seem almost artificial. These are the poison dart frogs, a group renowned for their breathtaking beauty, and more ominously, the potent toxins secreted through their skin. Their brilliant hues, electric blues, fiery reds, sunshine yellows, and emerald greens, are not mere decoration. They are a bold declaration, a warning sign to all potential predators. I am dangerous, do not touch. This phenomenon is known as aposematism. The toxicity of these frogs varies greatly between species, and even between populations of the same species, often depending on their diet. They do not synthesize these poisons themselves. Rather, they sequester toxic alkaloids from the ants, mites, and other small arthropods they consume. The golden poison frog, found in Colombia, is perhaps the most infamous, carrying enough toxin on its skin to kill several adult humans. As dusk settles over the Amazon's waterways, and the chorus of nocturnal creatures begins, a formidable predator emerges from the shadows, the black caiman. This is the largest predator in the Amazon basin, a crocodilian giant that can reach lengths of over 15, sometimes even 20 feet. Its dark, almost black scaly hide provides excellent camouflage in the murky waters and during its nocturnal hunts, making it an incredibly effective ambush predator. The black caiman is a relic of an ancient lineage, a creature perfectly honed by millions of years of evolution to dominate its aquatic environment. Its powerful jaws are lined with rows of sharp, conical teeth designed for gripping and crushing. A mature black caiman has few, if any, natural enemies, aside from perhaps a desperate jaguar or a particularly large anaconda, and of course humans. It sits at the apex of the food chain, capable of taking down a wide array of prey. Chapter 8: The Brazilian Wandering Spider. A venomous vagrant of ill repute. Among the myriad of spiders that inhabit the Amazon rainforest, one genus strikes a particular chord of fear: the Brazilian wandering spiders. These are not creatures that patiently wait in webs. As their name suggests, they are active nocturnal hunters, roaming the forest floor in search of prey, which includes insects, small amphibians, reptiles, and even mice. Their aggressive nature and potent neurotoxic venom have earned them a reputation as some of the most dangerous spiders in the world. There are several species within the genus, and while their toxicity can vary, they are all equipped with a venom that can have severe effects on humans. A bite from one of these spiders can cause intense pain, inflammation, loss of muscle control, breathing difficulties, and in rare, untreated cases, particularly in children or the infirm, it can be fatal. Chapter 9: The Harpy Eagle, Avian Majesty. Aerial Predator Supreme. Soaring above the vast canopy of the Amazon rainforest, a true monarch of the skies reigns supreme, the harpy eagle. This is one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world, a magnificent bird of prey whose sheer presence evokes awe and admiration. With a wingspan that can exceed 7 feet and talons longer than a grizzly bear's claws, reaching up to 5 inches, the harpy eagle is perfectly equipped to hunt formidable prey within the dense jungle. Its appearance is striking, with a distinctive crest of feathers on its head that can be raised to form a majestic ruff, giving it an almost regal look. Its piercing eyes, set forward on its broad head, provide exceptional binocular vision, crucial for spotting prey amidst the complex tapestry of the rainforest canopy. The upper parts are slate black, while the underparts are mostly white, with a broad black band across the upper breast, providing effective camouflage as it perches or soars. Chapter 10: The Candiru. A tiny terror of unspeakable dread. Our final creature, and perhaps the one that inspires the most visceral dread, is deceptively small, almost insignificant in appearance. Yet the candiru, a tiny parasitic catfish found in the Amazon River, has earned a reputation that far exceeds its size. This slender, translucent fish, often only an inch or two long, is notorious for its alleged ability to enter human urethras, a prospect that understandably evokes profound horror and makes it, for many, the most terrifying creature on our list. The candiru is primarily a parasite of other fish. It is attracted to the nitrogenous waste, such as urea and ammonia, excreted from the gills of larger fish. Using its keen senses, it locates a host, swims into the gill cavity, and erects a set of sharp, backward-pointing spines on its gill covers to anchor itself firmly in place. Once attached, it uses its needle-like teeth to make an incision and feeds on the blood of its host, often becoming engorged before detaching. तो अब भी अमेज़न जाने का प्लान है? याद रखिए, इस प्राचीन जंगल में आप शिकारी नहीं, शिकार हैं। इनमें से कौन सा जीव आपको सबसे डरावना लगा? कमेंट में जरूर बताएं। और हाँ, लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें चैनल को, जहां हम लाते हैं ब्रह्मांड के रहस्यमयी और खौफनाक सच। अगली बार तक जिज्ञासु रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए। The Amazon rainforest, as we have seen, is a realm of breathtaking biodiversity, a world where life has diversified into an astonishing array of forms, each uniquely adapted to its niche. From the excruciating sting of the bullet ant to the silent, constricting power of the anaconda and the almost unbelievable horror of the kangaroo, this jungle is a testament to the relentless, often brutal ingenuity of evolution. These creatures, while dangerous, are not malicious. They are simply products of an environment where survival is the ultimate imperative, each playing a crucial role in the intricate web of life that defines this extraordinary place. To venture into the Amazon is to step into a world that operates on ancient rules, where human dominance is not a given. It demands respect, caution, and a profound appreciation for the power and complexity of nature. The dangers are real, but so too is the unparalleled beauty and the vital importance of this ecosystem to the health of our planet. Understanding these formidable inhabitants helps us appreciate the delicate balance that sustains them and the urgent need to protect their fragile home from the ever-encroaching threats of the modern world. End screen suggestions. यह भी देखें, ब्रह्मांड के 25 सबसे डरावने तथ्य खोजिए। विराम